The US and China's phase one deal, which they signed in January, is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So obviously we've had a lot of bickering back and forth, which have intensified between the US and China over the past few weeks, with that further igniting when China announced that implementation, or to implement the legislation, the security legislation in Hong Kong. Then Trump announced cutting ties to Hong Kong, that the US has a special relationship with them. And then there's been a bit of back and forth whether China are going to continue to obligate to the phase one deal in purchasing of the US farm products. And then Trump announced, banning of Chinese airlines coming to the United States. And then there was suggestions that China were doing the same with US airlines. However, Beijing, essentially backed down and just said we're still going to allow US flights, US airlines into China. Okay, so I think they didn't want to go there for the time being in terms of retaliating. So the concerns anyway have somewhat calmed down quite drastically, and it doesn't look like either party want to affect that phase one deal. Particularly United States at the moment are very much in a delicate time, okay? In a delicate time economically. They need that strong rebound, particularly Trump, because come towards November, he needs to have a good chance at re-election, right? And he needs the US economy to be in a good place. So I'm sure he's going to want to keep this phase one deal in place, right up until, at least until he gets re-elected. Then maybe he starts again with, intensifying the bickering and perhaps, trying to get China eating out of his hand. I don't know. But for the time being, what does this all mean for the markets? Well, risk appetite, we've seen that. We've seen that for the past couple of weeks now. Strong risk appetite. Markets are hungry for risk because, this Chinese concern has calmed down. We're seeing COVID-19 cases drop globally, despite obviously all the economies pretty much opening up. There's a lot of good stuff going on right now. So it's positive for the riskier FX. That's why the likes of AUD, CAD, NZD, GBP have just been enjoying this massive bull run. Everything apart from the dollar. Essentially, stocks have still remained quite buoyant. Guys, in terms of daily fundamental and technical analysis, trade ideas, tying it hand to hand together, please do not hesitate to check freaknetwork.io. Click on become a member and just see what we offer to our members. A lot of value there every single day. Stay lit and thank you for continuing to watch. Let's get it.